my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new Michael Kors handbag, which I ordered for myself for my birthday. So here is the bag in the dust bag. So I'm just gonna bring. So as you can see, this is absolutely a stunning white bag. It's a shoulder bag, and then they've got this beautiful metal chain, and then I just love this golden logo which say MK. A close look for you guys. Then inside the bag we have the main, like a big section, and I see that it's plenty of space for your stuff. And so there is a small sort of card holder slash pocket inside the bag, as you can see this one. And then there is a zip, which I very much prefer in all my bags. Enough for putting in your keys, which won't scratch your mobile phone screen or any other makeup stuff that you can have in the main section. So it's really good way to keep your keys separate. And then also a small pocket in this one. You can put like your cards or your AirPods or anything that you want to put in here. It's kind of spacious as well. And then they have another back sort of slot in the back. So I would not recommend putting anything valuable in this, because this is, in my opinion, is not really a safe space. But you can put like anything else, like receipt or anything that you want to like quickly put in, or even sometimes I usually hold my mobile phone in my hands, but sometimes I can also like put it in just for a quick solution. But that's it about the bag. I absolutely love this gold metal finish, and it looks stunning. Now let me show you how it looks on me. So here is how it looks. It's very difficult to show you when I'm sitting down, but I guess you guys get a pretty good idea. And yeah, absolutely love this one. So I ordered this on their website, on Michael Kors UK website, and so they currently have a huge end of year sale. And so I initially didn't think that I will be ordering this one, because I was kind of looking for another bag. And then what happened is that I saw this one. It was around like, so the original price was £345, but on sale it was around £172. So I had a look at this bag. I had an eye on this bag from like last year, or from the beginning of this year. So initially I liked the silver one, the silver metal finish one. But then when I saw this one, I was like, this looks kind of nice too. But when I was browsing casually the next day, and suddenly I saw the price went down even further for this one. So from £172, the price came down to £138 for this bag. Are you kidding me? So I didn't hesitate, and I just went all out and just ordered this one. And I absolutely love this bag. It's so cute. The MK print on it, the logo, and this chain detail. And the best thing is that if you do not like this chain hanging from your bag, some people might not like that, so you can also detach it and then keep it aside if you really don't want to use this chain, or maybe for some occasion it's not like looking very good, for example in office parties or anything. So definitely can detach this. And that's it. So absolutely love this, and I'm really excited to be using this on my birthday. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you really find this helpful. I'll see you in my next video.